Everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to create your own booking calendar on Calendly. So the purpose of Calendly is for anyone to be able to book a call or a one-on-one, a meeting with you to avoid back and forth of having to send link to them and the rest of that. But once they have access to your booking link, all they need to do is to click that link and choose the time based on your own availability that you've scheduled, that you've highlighted there. That is the one you've chosen. So in the course of this tutorial, you're going to see that. So if you're just getting started, you will need to click on get started for free. However, if you already have Calendly, you just log in. For the sake of those who do not have Calendly, so let's just say I already have one, but let me just open for the purpose of this. So continue with email to sign up with Google if you want. So all right, continue. Yeah, you have access to this. Continue. So now, how do you plan on using Calendly on my own with my team? Go for on my own, click on next. What is your role? I just choose marketing. Next. Set which calendar we use to check for busy time. Can decide to use this. This is the one that comes with my email, so it's connected already. Yeah. So when are you available to meet with people? So it depends on the time that you are actually available. If you want, because this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the way to Saturday. So most of the time it has to be Monday to Friday, right? So it now depends on the time that you want. If you want it to be 8, you can change this depending on what you want. So I'll click on next. Okay, hold on, let me go back. Let me scroll down. I think, okay, yeah, I wanted to check for the time zone. How would you like to meet with people? Zoom, Google Meet? I prefer Google Meet. So you're already setting up your Calendly. So now that we are here, the next thing for you to do is just copy your link. So when you copy this link, you can decide to put it anywhere and people can actually click that link and they'll book call or one-on-one session with you. But instead of leaving it like this, it is advisable that you kind of edit this to something reasonable. Like just say, you can say book a one-on-one call with me, or yeah. So duration depends. Let's say 30 minutes to 1 hour, but 30 minutes is fine. The location is there. You have already chosen availability. So let's click on more option. So For more option description, tell your invitee what this meeting is about. So you can decide to say something like, this meeting is specifically to have discussion to get clarity about working remotely. Maybe say something like that. Okay. So what else? Another important thing here is asking for name and question. Yeah, name and email is fine. No need of last name. So if you want invitees to add guests, you can leave it like this. And if you don't want, you can turn it off. Question 1. Please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. Okay, we can leave that. I just want something like what challenge are you currently facing? Something like that. So if the answer type that you want from them, if you want to be just one line, multiple line, checkbox, drop down, or phone number, but just leave it as one line. Let me put multiple line because sometimes it may be just more than one challenges. So they may have other things to explain in detail. So putting single line simply means just one line, but the multiple line give them room to kind of explain in details. So that's all. Save our changes. So the next thing is for us to view our landing page to see how it looks like. So as you can see, so you can just come here and click any of the day and choose any time. And when they are done, let's say they choose this, then click on next. The name, let's use Joker email. Let's come. What challenges are you facing? No clarity. Use something like that. Then schedule the event. Your schedule. A calendar invitation has been sent to your email address. So meanwhile, if anyone get to book a meeting, I'll have to say, check my email, see if there's any. So why the Gmail still loading? So the Gmail is still loading. So you can see you're booked. Congrats, you booked your first meeting. So let's see something else. This is not, yeah, this is the email I'm looking for. New events, book a one-on-one call. Someone has, so you can see a new event has been scheduled. Book and one inviting. Okay, email. So this message right to get there. So you can see this is the meeting. This is the notification from Calendly, letting you know that someone has actually booked a meeting with you. All right. So that's exactly how to create your link, your booking link on Calendly. So different places that you can actually put your booking link include your YouTube, Instagram, your, what's it called now, your LinkedIn. And another way for you to make this known is also any other social media that you're always using, that you're kind of active on. So it's advisable you put that link there so that your client or anyone can actually book a call with you. So I think we're done for now. So that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this button if it was. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and share to others as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.